What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the Burger Tuning Wheel Spacers on my 535. So I decided to go with 12 millimeters for the front and 15 millimeters for the rear. And what comes with it is some anti-seize lube. And what I like about the Burger Tuning ones is they come with these notches. So if you want to replace them, or if you have spacers already on your car and you want to go with the Burger Tuning, they have these little notches. You could, once they're in, you can use a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and take them out. A lot of spacers don't have them in there. The Burger Tuning does. All right, guys. So we're doing a combo. We're doing our coilovers as well, but we're shooting a separate video just for the spacers. Since we're gonna have the wheels off, we might as well just do it all at once. So let's move the tire here. Now I've already went and took some steel wool to the area. You want to clean it up before you put the spacer on, just so you've got a nice even surface. Wipe it off. And then we have our 12 millimeter. Just want to make sure. And our anti-seize lube. Don't need too much, just a little bit on there. We'll spread it out. And line up your holes. Now they give you this pin with the kit. Actually, I'm gonna put it on the top one. I don't need it too tight. It makes it a lot easier to, when you put your tire back on, if you will get it on straight, it'll hold the spacer on so it's not moving around if you're moving the tire around. Once you get two on, you can go ahead and remove this. I'm gonna have to turn the compressor back on so I can tighten these up. Alright guys, so the back I went with, what did I go with? 15 millimeter spacers. The same design as the front. I like that they have these notches, so if I ever want to swap them out to get 18 millimeters, they're easy to take off. You can put a screwdriver back there and pry them right off. I'm going to do the same thing, clean it off with a piece of steel wool. Look how nicely this pin works. Such a good idea. So here's the after. Definitely brought it out some more. I think it looks perfect. Here's the rear, front.
Front's gonna need an alignment.
Yeah. We just lowered it as well, put some coilovers on. Make sure you check out that video.
We'll put a card in the corner if you want to watch that.
That's our how-to on the Burger tuning spacers. I did the 12 millimeters on the front and 15 on the rear. If you got any questions, drop a comment. Anyway, stupid compressor. If you like this video, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and hit that notification bell so you never miss the next video. See you in the next one.